Hi, I'm Bob, the talking Pringles can. What's your name? Oh, that's a good name. I love Pringles. I'm made out of a Pringles can. My name's Bob, if I didn't say that already. Well, anyways, I'm Bob, the talking Pringles can. So, today we're going to talk about sun chips. They always think they're so sunny and they're so hot on the beach. Well, I think Pringles should have a chance too. What kind of name is Sun Chips? For all you Sun Chips out there, you suck! Now, thanks for listening to Bob the Talking Pringles Can. Now, I'll see you in the next episode!